Hi, Bill from Window World. What we're going to show you here is a mechanism to show you low E glass or low emissivity glass. So in this box we have 4 different types of glass: single pane glass, double pane insulated glass, and 2 different types of low E or low emissivity glass. So the way to show you is we're going to use a radiometer. A radiometer measures radiant heat and a 250 watt heat lamp. Okay, so this is low E glass with argon gas. So I'm going to turn this 250 watt heat lamp on and put this radiometer right up to the glass. And as you can see, it's actually going backwards. So if there was radiant heat coming through the glass, it would make that radiometer spin. So as you can see, it's just barely moving. We're going to go to clear insulated glass, not even single pane, and roll that radiometer up to the glass, and you watch it start to spin. So what that's showing you is radiant heat is coming through the glass. Glass is a conductor of heat and cold, and coming into your home. And with low E, we'll go back to the low E glass. I'm going to stop the radiometer, put it back up to the glass, and as you can see, it's actually rolling backwards. So, and of course you can't feel it, which you can't do on TV, but the radiometer shows you that that low E glass is working. Let's go to single pane glass. Watch single pane. And you can probably feel the heat coming through that camera, can't you? Yeah, I can. So that's what low E glass does for you, and it will change everything in your home. It will lower your operating costs at least 30%. It keeps you warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, lower your operating costs. It's a no-brainer. Give us a call.